Yes, you are. You are just the cutest in the world.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing a nice relaxing vlog. It's so much easier to vlog than it is my normal voiceover videos when Max is about, because he is a very needy puppy and I just struggle getting anything done with him because he likes me to be just with him 24/7. So it's easier to just show you real time rather than do a voiceover. But it is a grey, gloomy, rainy day today and I am not feeling it, so I think I'm going to go in the garage and see if I can dig out some of my spring decor, because I know I've got another box somewhere. I know I have, I just can't find it. So that is definitely on the agenda today because I need to decorate. Decorating just makes me happy, it puts me in a good mood, and if you've been here for a while you know that I love to change my house up all the time. I try and redecorate things and just move things around about once a week. I definitely don't buy new things once a week. I just shop my home and just see what it looks like in different spaces, so I want to try and do that today. As you can tell from behind me, the house is an absolute mess, so I need to go around quickly tidy that up. Hello, you're making so much noise. Look how big he's getting. Look at it, so big. Look at it, so big. He distracts me. Yes, need to tidy the house, get that out of the way, and then we can do more fun things like decorating and just chilling out. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and let me know down in the comments what you're doing today, if you're having a nice relaxing day at home with me, or if you've been to work or anything else. Let me know. I would love to know what you're up to. And let's just jump straight into today's vlog. So it's now about 10:15. I sat down for 5 minutes to play with a little monkey here and he just climbed straight onto me and went to sleep. This is what I mean when I can't get anything done, and I know that I shouldn't pander to him. I know I'm probably just making him 10 times worse, but I can't help it. Like when he wants cuddles, I just give him all the cuddles that he wants. But I am gonna have to move him now. Let me just try and pick him up and pop him in his bed, because he won't sleep in his bed here at all. He'll sit in it, he'll play in it with his toys, but he won't actually stay in there to sleep. As soon as I walk away, he'll be back out. But I am in desperate need of organising my kitchen. It's so dark out here, it's so gloomy. I don't know if you can tell on camera because the camera actually brightens it, but it's so dark. But I'm just gonna spin you around so you can see what I'm talking about, because there is just stuff everywhere. Okay, so I need to put these few bits away. But I just need to declutter because I need to make room for all of Max's bits, and I need to declutter in here. I need to declutter in here really badly. I mean, it's an absolute mess, but I'm just not feeling it right now. I don't want to declutter everything because it's so overwhelming. But I also need to come in and do this cupboard down here. I can't even open it properly. But I need to try and fit the cereal in there, so there's a lot to do, to be honest. But I'm gonna save all of the decluttering and everything until I film my kitchen, organise and declutter. But I feel like it's just too dark and gloomy, and I just hate filming in the kitchen when it's dark and gloomy. Spending the whole day in a dark room doesn't do anything for my mental health, so I'm gonna just avoid that for now until the sun comes out and I can get that all done. It's so cute. But yeah, first thing I want to do now is get some breakfast. It is almost 10:20 and I can't really eat first thing in the morning. I have to be up for a few hours. I was actually up at 6 today, but I didn't start filming until about 9:30 because I was in an hour in whether to or not, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to bring you guys along for the day. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get some breakfast. I might have some porridge today with some bananas, as we've got some bananas. I might go healthy, but if I can just get them out. These are the oats I use, just the Quaker oats, so simple. They are so nice. It says to do them for 2 minutes, but I actually do them for 1.5 minutes. And yeah, I think they're just so easy. You can just fill the milk up to the line, use this to measure it all out, and yeah, you're good to go. So I think I'm gonna have some of these and some bananas, and obviously another coffee because I need my coffee to get me through the day.
To keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together, not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together, been playing it down.
Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Clever boy. High five. Yes, good boy.
Baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterdays, but I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let off some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this.
He always gets so tired once he's done his training. I think he's just like mentally stimulated now and ready for a nap. So hopefully he'll go to sleep and let me get some more stuff done around the house. But his training is coming along so well. He is just so clever, and honestly he just feels like a little teddy bear. I really wish you could like feel him through the camera because he is so soft. Aren't you, eh? He's soft. He's like, Mum, go away. Can't find that box of spring decor that I think's in the garage, so I think we're gonna have to get Rob to double check that it's not in the roof, because that's like where we store everything and I just can't get up there. So I'll see if he can find it for me. So for now I just want to clear this area out because I hate what it's looking like. I really want to get a bench to go here and then some hooks up here, but Rob thinks that I'll just make that a mess as well. So we're gonna hold off on that just for a while and see if I can make something with what I've already got instead of trying to redo it, because it's not been too long since I've redone out here and I loved it when I first done it, but now it's just looking drab. Hey, how are you doing? What are you doing? And I think it's just because these bits have been under there, I think pretty much since I've put it there, like I haven't redone it. So I'm gonna look through like home decor bits that I've already got and I'm just not using at the moment and see if I can sort of change this space up, because yeah, I'm not really loving how it's looking. So I'm just gonna rearrange some bits and see what I can make. I'm having such a hard time with this, and I think that's why I want a bench. I just want a clear bench and some hooks, and I don't have to worry about all of this, but there's so much going on. I don't even know where to begin. I bought these out because I really like them, but I think it was giving it too much of like an autumn feel with those books and everything, so I'm out of breath because I've just run up and down the stairs. But I found this upstairs which would be perfect for the spring, and I just wanted to add greenery and just try and brighten it up a little bit. I decided against going with that big picture because I think this hallway is just too small to have a really big picture layered with other stuff as well. So now I need to try and clear it all off and just focus on decorating it, because this has been driving me crazy for weeks now, if not months, and I really want to finally get it to a point where I'm happy with it. I definitely went with the less is more approach. And where do you think you're going, mister? Where are you going? So I didn't want too much on the top, so I decided to just go with this candle on a riser. It's the Somebody Loves You candle, and I thought it was super cute. So that is definitely good for obviously Easter and spring. And then I just wanted to use these stems that I picked up from IKEA and then just call it a day on there, because it gets so cluttered so quickly. I know that within a couple of days we're going to start using it as a catch-all area again, so I thought it would be easier to maintain if it's just there on the top, but we'll see how that goes. I did end up putting the cushion back at the bottom just because I love having the texture down there, and it's just something big that just draws your attention. So I put that back, and then I just put these little knickknacks at the bottom. I'm not 100% in love with it, but it will definitely do for now. And I don't know if it's the colour of the cabinet. I don't know if that was, like, I don't know if that's what's throwing me off. If the cabinet was white and it blended in a little bit more, I might like it. But I've just got this vision in my head of like a really beautiful bench along here, and I can't get that out of my head. Like, I would love to have a bench. So let me know down in the comments what you would do with this area, because it's such a small space that it gets cluttered so quickly and it needs to be functional, but obviously I want it to look nice as well. So let me know what you would do with this space. Look at his face. He's just so precious. He's so precious. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. We really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. I am going to try and do longer vlogs going forward because I really enjoy it, and it's so much easier with this one to do it like vlog style and just bring you along for the day. So I'm going to try and do more of them, but I'm definitely not a natural, so bear with me as I go on this new vlogging journey. But do let me know down in the comments if you want to see longer ones, like going into the evening, because I'm so self-conscious speaking on camera. I always have to finish filming before my husband gets home, because yeah, I get self-conscious in front of my husband speaking on camera, so I definitely need to get better at that. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if you want to see more of my day and like longer days and all the rest of it, because yeah, I'm just learning, so bear with me. There will still be loads of the normal cleaner motivation and like the voiceover type videos, but I also want to incorporate more days in my life and just a bit more casual and relaxed, like we are just hanging out for the day. I really enjoy that. So yeah, let me know down in the comments your thoughts on that, and I will see you guys back here in the next one.